Hi beauties, I hope you're having a great day. Today's video gonna be a little bit different from any other video I did so far because we're gonna be creating a makeup look using the drugstore cruelty-free makeup only. Any of you who follow me on a social media like Instagram would know already that I am vegan. When I say vegan, I mean I follow the plant-based diet, to be more precise. That's what I mean. I'm not one of those crazy people who say, you can't eat meat or you're supposed to die if you kill animals and so on. The world is big, it's enough space for everyone, and everyone is entitled to their own decision and opinion, and I do respect it all. I'm not the one to tell you how to live your life or what is better for you, so just do whatever you feel you want to do, and yeah, just be happy. I believe if any of hardcore vegans gonna see this video, they're gonna be like, oh, she's not a true vegan and blah blah blah. So I'm sorry if I offended you with my actions. I didn't mean to. I actually did a video a while ago where I explained why I become vegan, why I chose a plant-based diet and all, and I'm gonna link it in my description box below so you guys can check it out. And I did another video talking about why I haven't been just cruelty-free, about makeup, why I still mix it all a bit. Yeah, so it's all in the video. I explain everything, and this video is not about it, so I'm gonna stop talking about it and we shall create a makeup look with super affordable makeup items that are cruelty free. So I'm just gonna put my hair back. I'm gonna start from priming my face. I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Pore Blur. I did a review recently on this. I'm gonna link in my description box below. You guys can check this out. I always use the primer though prior doing anything to my face because I have a humongous pores, and I just believe that this helps me to maintain my skin a bit better throughout the day. Prior doing my eyebrows, always apply a little bit of that foundation around my brow area and my forehead. For today's look, I'm gonna use a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the color F7. That's a full coverage foundation. It's brilliant for the oily skin, guys. Oh my god, I did a review on this as well. I'm gonna link, by the way, all the products if I reviewed them in my description box below so you guys can check them out later if you wish. So if any of you don't know, the Makeup Revolution, Revolutionpro, iHeart, and all the brands that Makeup Revolution owns are cruelty-free and vegan-friendly actually, like the makeup formulas are vegan-friendly. And to be honest with you, when I buy makeup, I look for vegan-friendly formula as I don't want to use any makeup that has any animal fat or anything like that, like any animal products in it. But I'm still not as strict with the cruelty-free products, although this video is cruelty-free, affordable makeup only. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the mixture of two today. I'm gonna use the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in Espresso and Revolutionpro Eyebrow Cushion Eyebrow Definer in Chocolate. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna prime the eyes and then go with the eyeshadow. So to prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the concealer, the same as the foundation by Makeup Revolution, Conceal and Define. And this one is in a C2. Just gonna put a few dots and blend it. Gonna quickly set this in with NYX HD finishing powder. I am setting this in as I have super oily skin and hooded eyes, and if I'm not gonna set it quickly, it's just gonna go into my crease. I couldn't decide which eyeshadow palette to go today, so eventually I took this Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection Gilded eyeshadow palette, as it has so many beautiful colors and mixed textures. It has mattes and shimmers and like glittery ones and more like a creamy shimmer eyeshadow. So first things first, I'm gonna take a small dense brush like this, flat brush. And as my transition, I'm just gonna go with color called Some Love, and straight away gonna go higher than my creases, so that's why I'm keeping my eyes open. And I'm just blending the color out with the product that is left on the brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of Morocco and go in exactly the same place, just basically mix these two colors together. And blend this. Taking a little bit of a concealer and a small dense brush, and gonna clean up our crease part. I'm just gonna take this So What milky white color and apply this all over my mobile lid. I think we should add a little bit of a shimmer in the inner eye corner at least, till the like middle. So I'm gonna go with the shimmery creamy color called Dreamboat. Taking a brush. Kinda dragging till the middle of my mobile lid. So for the outer corners, we're gonna take this color called Confession in a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna add only on the outer corners. And meet that cut crease part that we did. I want to create a little bit of the eyeliner, but I'm not gonna go with a liquid eyeliner. I think I'm just gonna use the eyeshadow that we have. So I'm gonna take the color called Blackout and the wet brush. And I'm gonna go as my eyeliner. So we got our eyeliner on already. So I'm taking the square detail brush by Real Techniques and Lottie Eye Foil eyeshadow in color Fire. Lottie makeup, by the way, is mega affordable and it's cruelty free and pet approved. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of a brush. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna apply the foundation and then finish off the eyes. For the foundation, I'm going with the same Conceal and Define foundation in F7. Then Beauty Blender. This one is the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Gonna use the same concealer as I used to prime my eyelids to brighten under the eyes. When I said brighten under the eyes, I meant to literally contour. Let's quickly set this all up. So I'm going to use the same powder as I used before, which is a NYX HD finishing powder. For the lower lash line, coming back to Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection Gilded, I'm going to go with a color called Morocco. And I'm going all over lower lash line. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna brighten my inner eye corner. So for that, I'm gonna use Glam. A little bit under my brow arch. I'm coming back to the wet eyeliner brush and the black color called Blackout, and gonna draw like a little line in the eye corner, like a cat eye kinda. I think people mixing up cruelty-free and vegan. Vegan means the product doesn't contain any animal product in it, and the cruelty-free means it hasn't been tested on animals. So I think this is the part when people getting a little bit confused what it is and what it means. Okay, let's do the contouring part because now my face looks as flat as a pancake and it's not a great look. So for contouring, I'm gonna go with e.l.f. Total Face Palette. You can tell how much I like that contour shade. And I'm gonna use this blush as well. For my highlighter today, I decided to go with a Primer Beauty Makeup PS. This one is a mint pink highlighter. Not too many people actually know that Primer Makeup is cruelty free. So here we go, guys. And this one was super affordable. I did a review on this highlight as well. It's in my description box below. You guys can check it out later. So last thing left to do is apply some lip. I couldn't decide what color to go or anything, so I decided eventually to go with this Latte Glitter Switch in Dream On. Basically, this is like a magic lipstick. First is matte, and later you can reveal the glitter, or you can just keep it matte. And it smells like watermelon, by the way. Last thing actually, just gonna spray quickly with NYX Matte Finish Spray. And we're ready to go. What do you guys think? So what do you guys think of this super quick and easy makeup look we created using only cruelty-free drugstore makeup? All makeup items that are used in this video to create this look are super affordable. I think the biggest find for me was that the primer makeup is cruelty-free, as I didn't know that before. So I was like, hooray, you know? Because primer makeup been surprising me positively for a while now. So I'm thinking maybe I should do a primer makeup video. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. And talking about the cruelty-free makeup, you know, we live in a 2019 already. It's a 21st century. I think we should know better than test on the animals, and I wish that all the makeup and beauty brands would stop testing on animals by like 2020. That would be amazing. But saying that, any makeup that is sold in EU, which is European Union, is not tested on animals. So even brands that are not cruelty free, for example, say L'Oreal, they don't test on those products that are sold in Europe, but they test for the ones where it's required by the law, like China, because China for some reason requires to test all the makeup and beauty items that are imported to the China, that are not made in China. If the makeup or beauty product is made in China, then by the law it doesn't need to be tested on the animals. But anything that is imported to the country needs to be tested on animals, which I absolutely disagree with. I'm like, I don't get a point of that, but you know, China is a big country, so yeah. yeah, so that's my view about it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. If you maybe then just completely cruelty free, or you started a plant-based diet like I have. I actually been following a plant-based diet, the vegan diet, for over 2 years now. And to loads of people who think that I just eat grass like a bunny, well, I'm still alive, so it's just misunderstanding. Lots of people just don't have knowledge about it and they too quick to judge without knowing anything. So in general, my message today would be just be more patient and tolerant with everyone. You know, like I don't judge anyone who's not vegan or not on a plant-based diet, nor I try not to persuade them to become vegan or plant-based or whatever. I mean, everyone is free to do whatever they like as long as it makes them happy and doesn't hurt others. So I'm just gonna leave this in here. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your opinion about it. If you knew all these makeup items were cruelty free or you just find out about it. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I couldn't even stress enough by saying that how important it is for me if you would press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll see you soon in my next video. So bye!